Hello guys, welcome back to Glorious Creations. My name's Lori. I'm so glad you've decided to join me today. Do you have scraps? Me too. Let's use them and make something beautiful. In this video, you're going to see me using some of my leftover scraps from my previous video where I used black and green mica powders on black clay. I'm going to take this guy, I'm going to set it up here. I'm going to take our other scrap sheet. I'm going to roll it up. Okay, I think I'm going to try and make a two-pieced pendant. This again. Let's see what that looks like. Now, I can take this, make a nice straight line. That's pretty much the most workable part that I have to go there. It's a little bit thicker than this one, so let me go into the pasta machine. Yep, that's better. But it still needs something else. Needs something else over here. What should I add to it? That is the question. That's too thick if it's going to be in the middle. I'm deciding what I want to do with the piece as I go along. It really is a creative process. And even though I had first said that I was just going to make it into a two-pieced pendant, well, that idea really wasn't working. So now I'm playing with the clay and I'm cutting it into strips individually and lining them up. I really want to use my circle cutter. It's new and I'm excited to try it out. It's a good size as well. I like the big one, but I'm really trying to spark your creativity to give you ideas on things that you can try with your scraps as well. Get you to think outside the proverbial box, as they say. There's some good mica in the bottom of that one, right in there. Okay, kind of sort of getting there. I'm going to move the piece as gently as possible from my table over to the back. And this isn't how you're supposed to do it. See, look, it's stuck to my cutter. So as gently as possible, I'm trying to maneuver it back into place, planning to trim it again with my cutter. I am gently rolling over the clay just to make sure that it is adhered to my backing clay, but not too hard because I don't want to press into the impressions that I have already made. I feel like it definitely needs something else because it's just not quite there yet. See me crazy. What did I do? How did I do that? What the heck did I do? My cutter's bent. It's brand new. I mean, I literally just got it out of the box. Oh, seriously? Ugh. Why does that not surprise me? I'm afraid of cutting myself. It's not that sharp, but it can be done. All right. wonder if I bent it when I was using it. Okay, I think I figured it out. So I've been sitting here messing with it. And I got the chameleon powders out again and a different brush. And I just kind of went in across it. Like that. A little bit of this one. Gives it a little bit of texture from that brush as well as the change in that direction. Granted, it's taking away that black and making the whole thing more green, but I'm liking it better. I just couldn't leave it. I know I said I was going to walk away from it, but it's not how my brain works. Something is bugging me like this. Like, okay, you got to figure it out or scrap it. It may have been better before. Now it's very, very green. I get that. Pretty much taken all of the black out. Just a couple little pounces with the black will give it a little bit more of its texture back. Thinking I like it better. It's not quite there yet, but it's getting there. I'm thinking wear it like this. You could wear it like this. You could wear it on a diagonal, which might be kind of interesting. I could put a hole up here because I've got some leather cord that I've been wanting to make a necklace, but I just haven't. So now might be the time. All right, I'm gonna go for it. I like it better already. Okay, here it is. I've baked it. Really like it. Do not know how well the camera is showing the variations in this stripe. I can see the difference between the black and the green, and I really hope that the camera is doing it justice. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to resin the stripes in the center, I think I was getting very, very frustrated with this guy last night. So it was better that I just walked away from it. Went ahead, baked it, and then now I've just let it sit. It's got a nice, good thickness on it. You could do something like that with it if you wanted to. You could put that down here. You could do it like that. Problem being is right here, which is why I cut that spot out. It looks like it's a fingernail, and it probably is either that or the cutter where I bumped it. So I think I'm just going to take this guy and set it off to the side, unfortunately. But if you don't mess yours up, those would be options for you, because it'd be kind of cool to see it on here set asymmetrically, especially if you're wearing it like that. It gives you a little bit of depth and dimension and additional interest. You just want to make sure that you line it up right on the seam of wherever you put it. So, just some more thoughts for you. Like I said, just trying to spark your creativity. A little bit of glitter on one of these, just to see. So you know what? Just for sake of argument, hold on. Okay, so here's the thing. The glitters that I have, although I love them, don't really work in this color family. But we can take just a little bit and we can mix them together. There's a method to my madness. Honest, there really is. It may not seem like it, but there is. We're going to darken this up a little bit. See if that works. Mix in some of that silver, that green. Let's just sprinkle a little bit on here without any glitter, and we can kind of look at it and get an idea. Now this will give us an idea of whether or not we like the glitter on there. That might be kind of fun. That I've used with resin in the past. Oh, what the heck, let's go for it. And let's go for it. But first, I'm going to gem this section right here because I want to kind of create a division. I don't want the resin and glitter to go over into this one, if that makes any sense. So I'm just going to put a thin layer on here. And I'm going to stick this under the UV light. I'll do the same thing over here. Just get a little resin on here, over here. And I don't need a lot because it's just that little tiny narrow spot. And then do this one over here. Hold that in place right there with my finger without touching the resin. And it's kind of trying to spread on me a little bit. That's okay. It's more of just the idea of keeping these sections glitter-free if possible. And this is just a very, very thin layer. So I can always put another coat on. Okay. Back. It's been resined in the UV light. And here we go again. Not touching it with my fingers. All right, this is going to be tedious. There's got to be a better way to do this. I am sure there is, but this is what we've got to work with at the moment, so that's what we're doing. See, just like there, I kind of gummed it up a little bit. Okay. Just work it down slowly along this edge. It does not flow as smoothly once you add glitter to it. It becomes thicker. And it just gums up on your... Oops. Don't mind me. Just having some technical difficulties over here, guys. There's a little pocket right there. And I really did not have any intentions of showing you how to resin. But again, as the creativity starts happening, and since I'm doing something different, completely different technique, trying to figure out how to use these scraps and if we like it or not, might as well go for it. So, what you thinking now? I'm liking it. Okay, I'm gonna stick this back under the light. Okay, I'm deciding what I want to do with that one. trying to decide if I want to leave it solid. Should have put this on here first. Or if I want to put glitter over there. Because I'm leaning towards leaving it just the way it is and just letting it be a solid mica powder. But I don't want it flowing over here. Just resin this one in the center. Plain. There it is. It's all resined. Beautiful. I love it. I'm really happy with it. I'm gonna make a pair of earrings out of these. I just have to get some more black ear wires. I need some that are like true black. And since this was a spontaneous on the fly kind of thing, I did not have the proper materials on hand when I decided to make this. Anyway, I'm thinking that I probably need to get a bead or something to finish this off to go on here. But again, I'll have to go to the store and I'll have to look and I'll have to see what I can find. But for just taking some scraps and throwing it together, I really like how this turned out. And I'm putting it on a longer cord because most of my necklaces hang pretty short. So this one will hang a little bit longer. So please, tell me what you think below in the comments. I'm really interested to find out if you like this and if you want to see me make more stuff with scraps. Oh, and one other thing. It definitely helps me if you give me a like, share my video, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. I know that there are a bunch of you that have, and I just want to say thank you so much. You're so awesome, and I greatly appreciate you. And you guys are why I keep making these videos, because if it wasn't for you guys watching them, there'd be no point in me making them. And I hope that you make something beautiful and have a glorious day. Thanks, guys. I'll see you later.